If you're lucky enough to live in Brevard County, Florida, you know that our unique climate and environment provide the perfect conditions for a variety of beautiful flowers to thrive year-round. With a warm, subtropical climate, Brevard residents enjoy long growing seasons, making it easy to add pops of color to your garden. But which flowers perform the best in our sunny weather and sandy soil? Here's a guide to some of the top flower choices for Brevard County gardens. 1. Hibiscus. When you think of Florida, the hibiscus often comes to mind. These tropical plants boast large, vibrant blooms in shades of red, pink, orange, and yellow. Hibiscus thrive in full sun, making them perfect for Brevard County's sunny weather. Plus, they're a magnet for pollinators like butterflies and hummingbirds. With a little care, these plants can bloom almost year-round, giving your garden a tropical vibe. Care tips: plant hibiscus in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. Water regularly, but allow the soil to dry out between waterings. 2. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is another stunning option that performs incredibly well in Brevard County. Known for its vibrant pink, purple, and orange bracts, which are often mistaken for petals, this plant thrives in heat and sun, making it ideal for Florida's coastal areas. It's drought-tolerant once established and requires minimal care, perfect for gardeners looking for low-maintenance beauty. Care tips: Bougainvillea thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Water sparingly once established and pruned to control its vigorous growth. 3. Plumbago. Plumbago is a hardy, low-maintenance plant that produces delicate clusters of sky blue flowers. It's a fast grower, making it ideal for filling in garden beds or as a ground cover. In Brevard County's warm climate, plumbago can bloom year-round, attracting butterflies and other pollinators to your garden. Care tips: plumbago does best in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. It prefers well-drained soil and can handle dry conditions once established. 4. Firebush. Firebush is a native Florida plant that produces bright orange-red tubular flowers, making it a favorite among hummingbirds and butterflies. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in the heat and can handle the sometimes challenging soil conditions found in Brevard County. It blooms from spring through fall and adds a fiery splash of color to any garden. Care tips: plant firebush in full sun or partial shade in well-drained soil. Once established, it requires minimal watering and is highly drought-tolerant. 5. Gardenia. For those who love fragrant flowers, gardenias are a top choice. Their creamy white blooms not only look elegant, but also release a sweet, intoxicating fragrance that fills the garden, especially in the evening. While they require a little more care, gardenias do well in Brevard County's humidity and are worth the effort for their beauty and scent. Care tips: gardenias prefer partial shade and slightly acidic, well-drained soil. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. 6. Dune sunflower. Beach sunflower. The Dune sunflower is a fantastic option for Brevard County gardeners looking for a low-maintenance, native plant. This cheerful flower produces bright yellow blooms and thrives in sandy, well-drained soil, which is common along the Space Coast. Dune sunflowers are drought-tolerant, bloom throughout the year, and attract butterflies, making them a great addition to any Florida garden. Care tips: Dune sunflowers do best in full sun with well-drained soil. They require little to no irrigation once established and are highly resilient. 7. Lantana. Lantana is a colorful, hardy plant that flourishes in Florida's warm climate. With clusters of small flowers in bright shades of yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple, lantana adds a splash of color to any garden. It's drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators, making it a favorite for Brevard County gardeners. Care tips: plant lantana in full sun for the best blooms. It prefers well-drained soil and requires minimal watering once established. 8. Pentas. Pentas are excellent for attracting butterflies and hummingbirds. These plants produce clusters of star-shaped flowers in colors like red, pink, white, and purple. Pentas thrive in Brevard's warm, sunny conditions and bloom almost year-round. They're perfect for adding a splash of color to flower beds or containers. Care tips: Pentas love full sun and well-drained soil. Water regularly, but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Final thoughts. Brevard County's subtropical climate is ideal for growing a wide range of vibrant, easy-care flowers. Whether you're looking to attract pollinators, add color to your landscape, or enjoy fragrant blooms, there's a flower to suit every gardener's needs. By choosing plants that thrive in Florida's unique climate, you'll have a beautiful, flourishing garden that can be enjoyed all year long. Happy planting! 4.